to this video are going to have some fun learning mathematics. We are required to write this number in order of size, starting with the smallest. Now, the easiest way to go about doing this would be actually to convert all the numbers here in decimals. And so, pi will be equals to 3.142 corrected to 4 significant figures. 1 over 5 will be equals to 0.2. You can easily use your calculator for this. 30% is equals to 30 over 100, which will be equals to 0.3. Now, you might not notice it, but actually this is 0.2 with a small dot at the top of this 2. Now, what does this mean? Well, this means that the 2 will be a recurring digit, meaning this one will be 0.2222, never ending. Okay? And square root 3 over 2 will be equals to, well, 0.866 to 3 significant figures. And once I have this, to make it easier for us to compare, which one will be the smallest? Well, sometimes I like to add in a little bit more zeros, just so that it makes it easier for us to compare. Yeah? So you can see that actually from here, 1 over 5 is the smallest, 0.200, followed by 0.2. Okay, I'm now actually looking at the first and second digit of the decimal place, followed by 0.3, 0.8, and the biggest will be pi, because it straight away starts from 3 and not 0 point something. Well, thereafter, do take note, when we write our answers for this kind of question, we don't write them in their decimal form, we write it as in their original form. Meaning, I am not going to write 0.2, I'm going to write 1 over 5. 0.2 with a dot on top, 30%, square root 3 over 2, and pi. And we have successfully solved this problem.